What if your coffee mug could talk and roast your entire life?
Today I'll show you how to create viral talking object videos for free using AI no paid tools, no animation skills. Talking object videos are short AI videos where everyday objects like food, phones, or tools talk in first person emotionally, honestly, and sometimes brutally funny. For example, these videos work because people don't scroll past emotions even when they come from a burger. The secret is not animation, the secret is storytelling. Objects say what humans think but don't admit. Short, honest, emotional lines. Feels funny plus, uncomfortable plus, relatable. Tools we'll use, all free. Here are the free tools we'll use. No subscriptions. ChatGPT for story and prompts. Grok AI for image plus video generation free. Step 1. Use the master prompt, most important. This master prompt is the brain of everything. It turns ChatGPT into talk stuff/object talk. Niche selection. Number of objects. Style, funny, emotional, creepy. Generates. Object emotions. Image prompts. 6-second scripts. Video prompts. Instead of guessing, the prompt does the thinking for you. Now ChatGPT creates a full day story told by food. Step 2. Generate object scripts. Each object gets one job, one emotion, one sentence. Explain, 6 seconds per object. First person only. No ads, no selling. Emotional truth. Example.
I exist so you can forgive yourself for the donut and pretend balance is happening.
I ruin diets quietly and make meetings survivable for 5 sweet minutes. I promise energy and smiles, even though we both know I'm mostly sugar and hope.
Step 3. Generate images using Grok AI free. Now we turn words into visuals. Steps. Copy Textio image prompt. Paste into Grok AI. Generate Pixar-style object image. Step 4. Generate video in Grok AI. Now the magic. Turning images into talking videos. Steps. Use Grok's video generation. Paste the video prompt. Add the exact voice line. Generate 6-second clip. Important rule. One object equals one short clip. Why this works? Algorithm truth. Short emotional stories keep people watching. Reasons. High retention, 6 seconds. Relatable humor. Rewatchable. Shareable. The algorithm doesn't care about effort. It cares about watch time. Final advice. Real talk. Don't overthink perfection. Post consistently. Test emotions. Let objects tell the truth. If you want the master prompt and object ideas, subscribe. This channel is all about AI storytelling that actually works.